Semantic language is the exchange of expressions that communicate specific information and is consistently interpreted within a community. While most obvious in humans, toad macaques use semantic language to signify the presence and location of food. When a macaque stumbles upon an abundance of food, they will vocalize, which signifies other monkeys to come to the area and feed, as seen here. Alarm calls function as an anti-predator strategy seen in primates, fishes, and avian species, such as these black-capped chickadees. They elicit an alarm call when they spot a predator, which tells other chickadees to assemble and harass the predator to avoid predation. Semantic alarm calls put these two pieces together. It communicates specific information about a predator to avoid predation via a specific behavior. Vervet monkeys, along with numerous other primate species, use semantic alarm calls to alert their troop of a predator and their specific type. Known alarm calls used by vervet monkeys are the leopard, eagle, and snake, and each elicit a different response from the troop members upon hearing the call. Here, vervet monkeys have spotted a snake and are vocalizing the snake call. Other troop members then repeat the call. Monkeys that are on the ground when they hear the snake call will stand up on their hind legs to scan the ground. This monkey has spotted an eagle and is vocalizing the eagle call. He has moved to take cover in the branches of the tree and is scanning up at the sky to locate the eagle. When a leopard is spotted, a call like this is used. This is the leopard alarm call, and it signifies vervet monkeys to go up to fragile or weak branches and scan the area for a leopard. The way that these alarm calls are learned is unclear, but social learning and reinforcement play a role. Young vervet monkeys will use the incorrect call until they learn to use the correct call. While producing the call may be something that is learned, is recognizing the call learned, or is it instinctive? Ross, a vervet monkey, was the perfect subject to test this out. He has been in isolated captivity his entire life. With no predators to avoid and no social group to communicate with, it might be expected that Ross would have no knowledge of these semantic alarm calls. When Ross was played the snake call, he showed scanning behavior, but in no particular location, and no bipedal standing. When Ross was played the eagle call, again, he showed scanning behavior, and did run to the other side of his enclosure, but he did not scan at the sky like wild vervet monkeys do. Lastly, when Ross was played the leopard call, he again scanned the area, but did not move to a weak high point like wild vervet monkeys would be expected to. All alarm calls elicited scanning behavior, though it was not specific to a location or a predator. Oftentimes, after an alarm call was played, Ross would hide or take cover, but this was inconsistent. And yes, Ross and I are still friends. You can see us playing together here.